gotta be the jack of all trades. I have to wear so many hats. I have to be the marketing team. I have to be of course, a mom. I have to pick up the chemicals. I have to check behind the units. I have to hire the employees. I am a jack of all trades. I do everything. And when I tell you it's overwhelming, it's so overwhelming sometimes. But you know what keeps me going? Not only my faith in God, because you do have to have faith in God when you are a single mom, raising kids, running a business. That's like your business is a whole nother world. You know, my family life, that's a whole nother situation too. You know, but what keeps me going and keeps me positive is in my drive is my goal. I see my future, and every time I think about my future lifestyle and how it's going to be, it makes me smile. I know I'm going to touch a lot of lives and help a lot of people on my journey. I'm going to make it to my goal. When I make it there, I'm going to be able to empower so many people, including my own family, you know, people in my circle. And it's going to be a world where everybody wins. Everybody gets the benefit, you know. So it's damn sure worth it. Every time I think about the hard times I'm going through, clients not paying, employees not showing up to work, clients being upset, sending me back to stuff that employees not doing a good job, you still gotta pay them. That's just one side. The second side is 16-year-old sneaking boys in the house. Gotta take the 18-year-old to work because she don't have a car. Gotta go bring the 20-year-old some food at work at the warehouse. Oh, I didn't mention the 3-year-old and the 4-year-old that write all over my walls and just broke my new flat screen TV. It's a whole nother world. It's a whole nother world. But how do I cope with it all? I know I'm gonna be all right. That future lifestyle is all I'm doing it all for a great cause. All for a great cause. At the end, I'm going to be able to sit back, look at my life like, yeah, we did it. You know, notice I said we, because there's no I in team. You can't possibly do it all by yourself. To be able to hand those keys to my mom and say, this is your new house, this is your new car, you ain't gotta work no more. When I get to that level to where my mom ain't gotta work no more, you can't tell me it ain't worth the grind. Because right now my mom in her 60s and she shouldn't be working, because my goal is to not be working when I'm in my 60s. Okay? You got to think about how long your life span is. Like, a lot of people don't sit back and think about it. A lot of times we mess up our 20s. We mess all that up, you know, out the window, because we learning. We don't really know much. We just came from being in middle school, you know. Then you go on to teenage life, and from 13 to 29, you just been messing up, learning, experiencing. And then from 30 on to 40, you are supposed to have learned from all of the mess ups that you did when you was in the 20s. All your learning experience. Some people still don't get it though. The bell don't ring until the late. But that you're supposed to start getting it together around that time. 30 and 40, goddamn it, you got to get it together, okay? Because you can't be going into between 40 and 50 and still be doing the shit that you was doing when you was 18. Okay? Look at the lifespan. Look at your lifespan. Ain't nobody living to be 200 years old around here. Okay? People is dropping off between 80 and 100. Think about it. Think about it. Think how many years you got to live. Think. Every time I think about that, that make me get up and go. Hold up. I got to hurry up. I got that much time. I'm going to be 40 this year. I got to hurry up. Shit. I'm going to be 40 this year. Whew. Another 40, I'll be 80. I got to hurry up. I got to get it. Because I'm working to not have to work no more. I don't want to have to work no more. I do not want to have to work and bust my ass. I want to enjoy this little thing that's called life. Okay? You know how many people died and could never enjoy life, never went on a vacation, never just took the time to, this is wonderful. You know what I'm saying? Just work their fucking life to death. From sun up to sundown. Working 2 jobs. You know, back hurting and dealing with arguing with your husband. And then you die. Shit. I don't want to be one of them people. I don't want to be like that. I want to be able to enjoy this little thing called life. That's why I go so hard.